Be it natural disasters or man-made calamities, anything can be your doom. How do you deal with these unforeseen events? The answer is by being prepared. Now, to help you with that, today we'll share a list of gear that can support you when the time gets tough. The updated price and the purchase links are provided in the video description for your convenience. One, Cold Steel Recon Hawk. If you're serious about prepping, the Cold Steel Recon Hawk is one tough tool you'll want in your gear stash. Designed by Andrew Demko, this hatchet is made from 65 steel with a full tang design, so you know it's built to handle some serious abuse. Whether you're chopping through wood, smashing car windows, or puncturing tires, it gets the job done. Weighing in at 24 ounces, it's hefty enough for heavy-duty tasks, but still easy to handle. The nylon handle gives you a solid grip, and the patented articulating sheath keeps things safe and secure when you're on the move. What really sets it apart is its versatility. Whether you're using it as a hatchet, a cutting tool, or even a throwing weapon, it's up for the challenge. When it comes to compact survival tools, the Bugai Mini Compass, even with its small size, holds its ground. About the size of a coin, this little device keeps you on track no matter where you're headed. It's a 360-degree floating compass that works fast to give you both cardinal directions and detailed path info, which is a lifesaver when you're navigating unfamiliar ground. What makes it even better? The luminous dials light up in low-light conditions, so if you're moving after dark, you're not left guessing. Built tough, it comes in your choice of Grade 5 titanium or black aluminum with an IPX8 waterproof rating, meaning it'll handle heavy rain, drops, and just about anything else. Furthermore, it's so compact you can hook it to your keychain or strap it to your bug-out bag without even noticing it's there until you need it. Full body coverage can help to keep you safe in dire environments, and the Foss Power Emergency Rain Poncho does exactly that. This isn't just some flimsy throwaway rain cover. It's made from 28 micrometers thick thermal PE material that'll hold on to 90% of your body heat, which could be the difference between staying alive or freezing your tail off in a bad situation. At only 2.8 ounces, it's ridiculously lightweight and packed down. It takes up less space than your phone. Yet, when you pop it open, it's big enough to keep both you and your backpack dry. Additionally, it's waterproof, windproof, and tough, with reinforced seams so it won't rip on you when the weather turns nasty. Brightly colored for visibility and sized to fit adults and kids, it's a must-have for emergencies, camping trips, or just those surprise downpours. Want a ready-made bug-out bag for emergencies? Then the GetX Go is for you. These fire and waterproof go bags are designed with everyday folks in mind, not military-style gear. The bags come in two versions, a 72-hour and a 5-day combo with options like fireproof water-resistant or waterproof airtight. The fire-resistant bags are made from triple-layer fiberglass, holding a B1 hardly flammable certification, so they'll stand up to the heat. The clamshell design and 20-liter backpack are super practical, offering a pouch for important documents and a fold-out go kit with 40 essential items, like solar-powered chargers, tools, and first aid supplies. Plus, the mobile app lets you stay organized with checklists and planning tools. Whether you're camping, prepping, or just want peace of mind, GetX Go has you covered. You are not fully prepped without a dependable light source, and the Helio will light your way no matter what. This solar-powered lantern is perfect for adventures or emergencies. It's got a high-capacity solar panel that keeps it charged, plus a USB option for quick power-ups, so you never have to worry about being left in the dark. Whether you're out camping or stuck in a power outage, it's got your back with multiple light modes, including high, medium, low, and even red light for preserving night vision. It can last up to a month on a single charge at its lowest setting. Plus, the versatile stand lets you use it as a lantern, close-range light, or even mount it somewhere secure with the clamp. And bonus, 100% of Helio sales profits go to supporting non-profit organizations that help bring light and power to underserved communities. There's something genuinely satisfying about a tool that combines a lot of other tools in a compact form factor, and the Antesign Carabiner Multi-Tool is exactly that kind of device. At its core, This tool functions as a standard carabiner with a spring-loaded gate that offers secure fastening for keys, gear, or bags. The device's most impressive attribute is its meticulously engineered tool integration. Consider the bottle opener. It's not just a simple cutout, but a precisely designed section that allows smooth beverage access. The screwdriver components aren't afterthoughts. They include both flathead and Phillips head variations, which ensures compatibility with most standard fastening requirements. Onwards, the cutting implement, whether a knife blade or saw, is strategically designed as a fold-out or retractable component, which maintains the tool's sleek profile while providing durable cutting capabilities. Hex wrenches are precisely pre-cut, with varying hole sizes and accommodate an extensive range of bolt head dimensions. All these make it a marvel of compact engineering. The Slide Belt's Survival Belt is a belt that does so much more than hold up your pants. It's made from materials like reinforced synthetic canvas or a custom polymer blend so that it can endure rugged use but still maintain a sleek appearance. Its true highlight lies in the buckle, which transforms into a survival toolkit. Depending on the model, you'll find tools like a ferrocerium firestarter rod, an LED flashlight for low visibility scenarios, a bottle opener for convenience, a compact knife blade for cutting tasks, and even a screwdriver for minor repairs. The belt uses a ratchet mechanism, sliding neatly into the buckle for a secure hold without relying on traditional holes. In fact, with a quick-release lever, you can make micro adjustments for a perfect fit. All in all, it's a durable, stylish solution for outdoor enthusiasts and urban adventurers alike. Looking for a backpack that's designed with military-grade durability and versatile functionality? The Maxpedition Havoc 2 backpack is crafted for outdoor enthusiasts, first responders, and urban explorers. It offers an ergonomic layout with intelligently designed compartments that includes a spacious main compartment with organizers for laptops, hydration bladders, or other gear. A front admin pocket provides easy access to essentials like tools or notebooks, while expandable side pockets accommodate water bottles or extra supplies. Its MOLLE-compatible webbing system ensures customization by attaching additional pouches or accessories. The padded shoulder straps and back panel enhance comfort during extended use, and compression straps keep the load tidy. This backpack is especially built to tackle durability concerns, organization challenges, and weight distribution issues. That's how the Havoc 2 adapts comfortably to any adventure or mission. When you're rolling in wild terrain and there is darkness everywhere, all you need is a source of light. That's when you reach for the Nebo Luxstream rechargeable spotlight. With a single press, its powerful beam cuts through the dark and guides you back to safety. This spotlight is equipped with an impressive 2,000 lumen output, offering a beam that reaches up to 1,000 meters or about 32 to 80 feet. This means you can spot animals from afar or light up a worksite with ease. The spotlight is designed with a durable body and a high-powered LED light that can withstand drops and harsh conditions. You can choose between 3 modes: high, low, and strobe, depending on your lighting needs. The high mode provides maximum brightness for long-distance visibility, while the low mode is perfect for conserving battery life during extended use. In essence, the Nebo Luxstream rechargeable spotlight helps you when you need it most. Alright, we just saw some cool gadgets that are now quite popular, but that wasn't always the case. A lot of marketing had to be done for them to garner such a fan base. So if you are a business owner and want to increase your sales and drive more traffic to your sites, you should check out today's sponsor, Tik Tok For Business. It is a global platform designed to help brands like yours become creative storytellers and meaningfully engage with millions of TikTok users. Whether you're looking to attract customers, drive sales, or boost conversions, TikTok's unique ad solutions can get you there. From small businesses to large agencies, TikTok For Business has the tools to help you grow. With TikTok For Business, you can launch your first campaign in just 3 easy steps. First, answer a few questions, and TikTok will create a personalized marketing plan just for you. Then, craft your content using an easy-to-use template or upload existing creative. Finally, run your campaign and watch your business reach new heights with the most engaged audience online. So why are you waiting? Find the link in the description box and launch your first TikTok campaign today. When you're out in nature, you can't carry a huge bottle of water. Instead, keep the Wayfarer portable water purifier with you. This small device, which weighs about the same as a decent-sized water bottle, can help you with water purification. It uses the latest ultrafiltration technology, equipped with a 0.02 micron filter that captures viruses, bacteria, cysts, and other harmful microorganisms. All you need to do is fill the container with water, press down on the handle, and the water is pushed through the filter to ensure safe drinking water. The filter lasts for up to 5,000 liters of water. While traditional water purification methods like boiling or using chemical tablets take time, the Lifesaver Wayfarer offers a fast and efficient solution in just minutes. For hikers or campers, it eliminates the need to carry heavy bottled water, which can add extra weight to your pack. It also removes the guesswork of finding clean water sources. Just fill up from any nearby stream or river. For any prepper, the Wayland Survival Axe is a flexible tool in the field, offering essential functionality and portability. This mole-compatible hatchet can easily be attached to your backpack or bug-out bag, making it an ideal companion on hikes, camping trips, or bug-out scenarios. Its compact build is designed for a range of survival tasks, from splitting kindling and chopping wood to carving for shelters, setting traps, and taking care of bushcraft needs. Crafted from premium materials, it's built to withstand tough conditions with a sharp, well-balanced blade that handles with ease. The handle offers a comfortable angle that's effective for both chopping and throwing, while the maul sheath ensures it stays secure and accessible. It can clean paths, help in vehicle recovery, and even waste removal, making it a versatile addition to any prepper's gear lineup. The Nightcore NWL20 flashlight is a must-have for any prepper's gear, offering dependable versatility across critical survival scenarios. Built for everything from camping and outdoor exploration to high-stakes roles like law enforcement, hunting, and military operations, this compact flashlight fits right into a bug-out bag or pocket without taking up too much space. Its dual output allows for adaptable lighting options, letting you conserve battery power or boost brightness based on your needs. The NWL20's replaceable battery feature is a huge plus, making it a reliable choice for extended use or emergencies when recharging isn't possible. Designed for powerful beams, it's a solid choice for search and rescue, ensuring long-distance visibility and enhanced detail with high CRI options. Lightweight yet durable, the NWL20 is ready for anything from nighttime hikes to emergency rescues, helping preppers stay prepared in any low-light situation they might encounter. The Spark necklace offers preppers a unique blend of style and survival functionality, combining a fire-starting tool with everyday wearability. This necklace isn't just for looks. It's equipped with a powerful ferro rod capable of producing sparks at a blistering 5,500 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to ignite a flame no matter the conditions. Crafted with a ceramic scraper 10 times tougher than steel, it's built to withstand repeated use, offering thousands of strikes for reliable fire starting over time. The ceramic tool isn't just for sparks either. It doubles as a handy multi-purpose tool with functions ranging from a gouge and spoon knife to a seatbelt cutter, awl and saw. Handcrafted in the USA and available in plain or patterned stone designs, this necklace comes with an adjustable leather strap, ensuring it's as comfortable as it is functional. Free from harmful chemicals, the Spark necklace brings peace of mind, making it an essential piece for any prepper seeking convenience and utility on the go. And that's our list of 60 Doomsday survival gears and gadgets that are a must-have for any prepper. Thanks for watching. Feel free to reveal your thoughts in the comments section and share this video if you find it helpful. And to know more about outdoor products, reviews, and buying guides, you can visit our website, GoOutdoorZone.com.